Took our TVs and broke the panel and funnel glass out of them, and now we're going to run them through the 24x16 hammer mill. So here's the TV tubes and panel glass. Came out nice and fine, little bits of rubber and stuff. So here's looking down the inside of that hammer mill. Took the feed hopper off, and there's 4 rows of 7 cast chrome hammers. We have replaceable abrasion resistant steel armor all the way around the inside of the mill. And you can see down below there's the screen, and that spins about 800 RPM in this mill, and the glass comes in, gets crushed, and goes out the slots down there. So thanks for watching our video on glass recycling, and if you're interested in our machines, feel free to call us or email us, and the number and email is in the description below. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.